Given this runs locally, can we then schedule it to run on a regular cycle to automate it? Yep, I actually just touched on this, but probably the easiest way to do this is like a bash script locally. You create the bash script, you have it run once a day, once an hour, once a week, once a month, however you want. You then have it run once an hour, and that bash script will automatically import your assets into Data Manager. And the cool part here with Data Manager is, and I think I already showed this, but when you actually go in to look at the data, it will tell you all of the updated things that have happened without without you having to kind of babysit or looking at it consistently. So if you look at your, was it mapping? No, it was data. It was the data tab. So if you look at your data tab, nope, that wasn't it. Let me find it. Can't remember which one it was. Okay, it was in here, and then I think it was in the mapping. Yeah, there we go. So inside the mapping, when you run a new import, you could go to the change tab and see exactly what's changed since the last import. You could see things that are new. You could see things that are missing. Like I have a few missing fields in here. So you'll actually see things that are updated and see what you want to do with them, how you want to cleanse them, how you want to change them. And then before you move forward, you could make your changes or add in your mapped fields. And then you go through, do your cleansing, and then finally do your final import. Real quick, I've implemented Jira for over 200 companies. By far, the number one reason teams reach out to us is because they built what they thought was a great solution, only to realize that nobody actually ended up using it. And if that sounds familiar, that's exactly what we help you fix. We're currently taking on new projects 4 to 6 weeks out. And if you want help implementing Jira in a way that your team will actually use, hit the first link in the description below.